the past by the political parties, whether it is about the alleged poll rigging, whether it is about EVMs malfunctioning, whether it is about voter IDs and electoral rolls being the names disappearing from them.
Well, Megha, like you correctly pointed out, it is also very important to understand that this is the last press conference of Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar, as he's going to retire in February. But there were certain points that were made by Rajiv Kumar, wherein he stated that the EVM cannot be managed. There is a talk also of increasing voting after 5 p.m. The Election Commission conducts free and fair elections and should not do anything to tarnish the dignity of this institution, is what Rajiv Kumar stated in a very different shero shairi. That is what he does before announcing the exact date of the Delhi election, and he clearly stated that the Election Commission conducts free and fair election and should none of the parties should do anything to tarnish the dignity of the institution. Also, further, he added that 4.4 crore slips were counted from 67,000 VVPATs. There was no difference of even a single vote. There are 70 rules which are followed on the website of the Election Commission. There are 6.50 lakh booths across the country. Also, what he further added, that there are total 99 crore voters in the country. Soon the figure of 100 crore voters will be crossed. Also, what is mega important in the press conference that happened in the national capital, wherein it was stated that the nominations will start from January 10th. Also, everyone will be checked during elections, no matter who is the leader of any party. No one should lower the level of the campaign. No one should comment on women, children. Otherwise, the Election Commission will take actions. These were the points that were made by Rajiv Kumar. Also, 1.55 crore voters will cast their vote in Delhi. 2.8 lakh voters will cast their vote for the first time in Delhi. Also, Megha, what is important, that Delhi will vote in a single phase, polling on 5th Feb and result on the 8th Feb. Delhi's elections are always closely watched, Megha. They reflect a broader political trend in India. The Aam Aadmi Party has been in power since 2015, and their governance will be a major topic during the election. As I was listening to you,
stay on with me, Mahima. Let's hear these reactions coming in after the election.